important. Tell us.
My name is Amrish Chopra, Director Garment Technology Expo. We are into exhibition business, and this is our 36th edition of Garment Technology Expo in Bangalore. We showcase the latest and the most trending machinery created in making and apparel. This show has complete wide range of apparel making, from needle to the CAD CAM, sewing machines, embroidery machines, the digital printing machine, laundry, finishing, everything is displayed here. This exhibition in South will boost employment, technology upgradation, so that we can export the material very good in the overseas market. And this is the best exhibition for anyone who is making a garment in India. This is the latest. We have the latest and the most advanced technology available in the world are displayed in the exhibition.
How many companies are
So we have
participating?
600 brands displaying their material in the exhibition. Around 145 participants with 600 brands.
Sir, how many stalls now, sir?
145, I said.
Since how many years are doing this, sir?
So for this exhibition, we'll be completing 25 years next year. We'll be celebrating 25th year in the industry with 37th edition.
What is this in this year? What is the unique machine?
So the latest machinery in apparel making is being displayed. So sewing machine, automation. Automation is the latest technology which is being displayed here. Laser cutting machines are here. Then we have different kind of laundry finishing machines. Then we have digital printing machines shown here. And these are all the latest trend in the worldwide.
This is the B2B exhibition.
This is a B2B, complete B2B exhibition.
B2B.
Yeah, B2B exhibition.
Sir, who inaugurated the function in the morning?
So the show is always inaugurated by the industry people also only. So we had the top participants of our exhibition who have inaugurated the show with us.
Okay, sir.
What is the message to the industry?
Public.
So industry should come and see the exhibition. This is the first day of exhibition. We have 2 more days for the exhibition. So that I'll request all the industry people to come and see the latest technology available in the market for upgrading their units. So that is the message to them.
Next,
Okay.
sir.
Next edition will be in Delhi, that is from 12th to 15th of February at Greater Noida, and the show has been co-located with Bharat Tex to make our Prime Minister Mr. Modi's vision more wider. He has a vision of making a 5F. Last year the Bharat Tex was missing the machinery part. This year GTE will complete that part also in it.
Yes. How do you expect this expo profit, sir?
In Bangalore?
Yeah.
So in the Bangalore, I see next 2 days will be very important for us and for our exhibitors. And once they come and see the latest technology, they will be able to upgrade them fully to the automation level, and they will be able to compete with international companies and exporters for the price war also.
How is the public response, sir?
So public, this is a B2B show, so we have a limited people coming in. It's not a consumer show.
Okay.
So we have only industry people are allowed to visit the show.
It means the industry people.
Only industry, only
Yes.
garment industry people,
Yes.
buying house, ordnance factories, all these are invited in the exhibition. Domestic manufacturers are also doing very well nowadays. We have a quilting machine being shown here, cushion making machine, a specialized which doesn't have a needle to be punched everywhere. So these all things have been displayed here.
Instead of India, other countries are to participate in this place or in Delhi.
So in here we have around participation from 18 countries.
Acha.
But the principal are less here, but we have a machinery from 18 countries being displayed here. India doesn't manufacture too much of machinery parts. It's mostly China, Germany, Italy, all these countries make the machines.
Thank you.